You may have seen the Vitality adverts on the tube, buses, billboards, or on TV. But what is Vitality? I'll walk you through the basics. First, we'll talk about how it works. Next, we'll talk about how you can earn reward points. Then we'll explain what the reward points do. And finally, we'll cover the medical aspect of it. Now, I have to say, this video is mostly focused on the rewards and benefits rather than a comprehensive assessment of their medical care quality. With that said, let's dive in. So how does Vitality work? Vitality is a private medical insurance company. It works on a point-based system. You basically earn points for a variety of activities. This includes physical activity, healthy diet, health checks, weight management, relaxation, mental well-being such as meditation. So all these activities give you points which can then be redeemed for a number of benefits. It's similar perhaps to a credit card or a loyalty card. The active reward points give you a free Starbucks coffee every week, a free cinema ticket every 2 weeks, and can be redeemed against an Apple Watch and Amazon Prime membership cost. You could potentially shave off a huge amount off an Apple Watch and Amazon Prime membership if you get 40 points a week. So how exactly do you earn points? Well, here's an extract of my point statement. The nutrition activity refers to Ocado. You get 1 point per £2 spent on healthy foods, up to a maximum of 50 points per month. The other items refers to the physical activities and how each of them turn into points. So for example, you have 7,000 steps a day, that's 3 points. If you have 10,000 steps a day, that's 5 points. If you have 12,500 steps a day, that's 8 points. So how do they track your steps? Well, their app grabs the data from your smartphone, from your Apple Watch, from your Fitbit, whatever fitness device you've got on. You'll also earn points for other physical activities, which includes a gym visit. At the moment, they're partnering with Virgin Active and Naufal Health, so each visit will get you 5 points. You'll get 5 points as well if you volunteer with Parkrun, and that will be 5 points every time you volunteer, or 8 points for every run. It's important, however, to point out there's a maximum limit on the number of points you can get per week and per day. So on a daily basis, you can't get more than 8 activity points, and on a weekly basis you can't get more than 40 activity points. Now that's just activity points. You also get points for meditating. They've partnered with Headspace, Spotify and Calm, the mindfulness app, so every 10-minute session you do earns you 2 points. There's a limit on that of 6 points per week. So if you're feeling stressed and you open the app and relax and meditate and calm yourself down, so not only you'll feel better, but you also earn 6 points a week. The other way you can earn points is through your medical checkups. You will be assessed on a number of parameters such as your blood pressure, blood glucose, cholesterol, etc. The interesting bit here is that getting tested itself gets you points, and if you're healthy on top of that, you get bonus points. The points also accumulate during the year and determine your membership status. You can be bronze, silver, gold or platinum. On your left you can see my current Vitality status. I'm currently on gold, I know. So why is this status important besides showing off clearly? I mean, come on. Well, take British Airways rewards for example. Its value depends on your status. If you're a bronze member, you get a 5% discount and you're eligible to 1 discounted flight per year. On the other hand, if you're a platinum member, you get a 40% discount of 2 flights per year. So chances are, if you do fly abroad for your holidays, then this is a pretty good deal. Right, so let's talk a bit about the rewards here through Vitality. Let's start through the Apple Watch. Right, let's take an example. Let's say my Apple Watch cost me £360. I pay a £60 deposit and I've got a £300 left to pay. Now how much of that £300 I've got to pay depends on how active I am. So let's say I get the watch and I'm active every week, I hit my 40 points and I do that for 2 years, that means I've got £0 left to pay. So effectively the Apple Watch is almost for free, I say almost because remember we paid a deposit for that watch. Same thing with Amazon Prime, except that there's no deposit here and you get it potentially for free. You also get a free cinema ticket if you or Cineworld if you hit your 12 points every week. You get one cinema ticket every 2 weeks. Starbucks, you got a free Starbucks drink every week. That's assuming again you hit your 12 points. You also get 50% discount on Virgin Active gyms, Naufal Health gyms, 50% off shoes at Runner's Need, 40% discount on Garmin and 40% discount on Polar products. If you fancy getting Headspace, you get about 30% off the annual subscription. You can also get 25% off health food through Ocado and at the same time support UNICEF. Every shopping order donates 1 day of food to support a child, so that's quite good. If you want to quit smoking, you can save through Alan Carr's Easyway. If you're looking for a little rest and relaxation, you can get discounts on Japanese and British Airways. So what about the health insurance itself? Well, luckily I haven't had to make any claims due to major illnesses. You can book your video consultation online and describe your problem to your doctor. I personally found this process very helpful as I didn't have to go to the GP for some minor issue. There are different ways you can reach a doctor through Vitality. So you can have a phone consultation, which is quite helpful in case you want peace of mind, but you can also decide to have a face-to-face appointment with your GP. Now that will cost you. I haven't personally used it, so I'm not sure to what extent it's useful. However, and this is important, that if you have a medical emergency, go to the E&E straight away, as Vitality is not designed to deal with these situations. So let's have a quick look at the general payout statistic here. So you can see in 2017, Vitality paid out the large majority of its claims as shown. So it's good to know that it's health insurance that you're paying for. In case you need it, it will be there. But in case you don't need it, you still benefit from the rewards. And that's what attracted me to Vitality to start with. Which brings us to the end. I hope you find this video helpful. I personally would recommend Vitality. And if you do decide to go to Vitality, please consider using the link or code in the description so that both you and me will get a £50 Amazon voucher or John Lewis voucher. Also, if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.